if you're encountering an invalid credentials error on Sesame Care 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check username and password. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that the caps lock key is not on. Step 2. Reset your password. If you cannot remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset link via email. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Sesame Care's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid credentials issue and regain access to your Sesame Care account.